Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I fine, thank you. I want to your photo. I want two friends. This is uh, this is Carlos. It is Ana.
Nice. What's his name?
Uh, Hi, name is Carlos.
Where is she from?
He's from Peru. He is Peruvian.
How old is she?
Uh, he is 25 years old.
Is she a student?
Now he is energy.
Great. And what about her? What's your name?
His his name is Ana.
Where is she from?
She is from Mexico. She is Mexican.
How old is she?
She is 23 years old.
Is she a teacher?
Yes, he is. She is a teacher.
Now it's my turn. I have a photo of my two friends, and this is John, and this is Maria.
Nice. What is his name?
His name is John.
Where is from?
He is from United States. He is American.
How old he?
He is 30.
He is a doctor.
No, he isn't. He is a teacher.
And what about her?
Her name is Maria.
Where is from?
She is from Spain. She is Spain.
How old he?
She is 28 years old.
Uh, is she energy?
Yes, she is.
That's great.
Yes, we're interested.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, you later.